Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to unpin a group on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app for PC. If you've been keeping your conversations organized by pinning certain chats but now want to tidy things up or remove a group from the top of your list, this video will guide you step by step through the new update. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your conversations. Once the app loads, look to the left side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. Click on Messages to enter your inbox. Now, you'll see all your recent conversations, both individual and group chats. Find the group you have pinned. It should appear right at the top of your chat list if it's currently pinned. Hover your cursor over that group chat. You'll notice that 3 small dots will appear toward the right side of the group's name. Those dots contain all your quick chat options. Click on the 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with several choices related to that group. From there, select Unpin Conversation. The moment you click it, the group will move back into your regular list of messages, no longer held at the top. That's it, your group is now successfully unpinned. This feature is part of the latest update on X, and it makes managing your messages smoother than ever. Whether you're cleaning out old group chats or just reorganizing your message space, unpinning helps keep your inbox fresh and uncluttered. And there you have it, a simple way to unpin a group on the X app for PC in just a few steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to check out our other quick tutorials to stay on top of the newest updates and features on X.